How to prevent refrigerant gas leaks in air conditioning systems. The prevention of refrigerant gas leaks starts with proper installation and regular maintenance. Let's review the most important recommendations. 1. Design piping routes with the fewest possible joints to reduce potential leak points. 2. Avoid threaded fittings and prioritize high-quality welding to minimize porosity. 3. Use appropriate supports and place insulation between the supports and the pipes to prevent galvanic corrosion and friction wear. 4. If the original piping is longer than needed, it is recommended to cut the excess to avoid vibration, unnecessary bends, or stress points. 5. Install dampers made of rubber springs or other anti-vibration materials on compressors and piping to reduce vibrations that could cause cracks or fatigue in the joints. 6. Use vacuum pumps specifically designed for refrigeration and monitor the vacuum pressure for at least 30 minutes before charging the system with refrigerant. The pressure must remain stable as a sign of system tightness and the absence of moisture or air. 7. Inspect Schrader valves by checking seals, valve cores, and service caps to ensure there are no leaks, even when the system is idle. 8. Avoid overcharging with refrigerant, as this puts stress on the system, creates abnormal pressures, and may lead to medium or long-term leaks. 9. Do not remove existing insulation except for repairs. When welding, always protect the pipe's thermal insulation to prevent damage that could later lead to moisture or corrosion. 10. Never reuse oxidized pipes or fittings. Always clean thoroughly, and if possible replace corroded components with new ones. When repairing leaks, always follow the torque values recommended by the manufacturer and apply correct techniques. When preparing threaded joints, including cleaning, sealing application, and torque adjustment. 11. Never introduce leak sealants as a preventive solution in new equipment. They should only be used as a last resort in very old systems, or where complete repair is not feasible. 12. Perform regular cleaning of the equipment, including filters, coils, and condensate trays to ensure optimal airflow and to prevent condensation in the indoor unit, which promotes corrosion. Poor airflow can also increase pressure in the outdoor unit, raising the risk of leaks. 13. Keep the outdoor unit free of dust, leaves, debris, or objects blocking the grills, which could cause the compressor to overheat and increase system pressure. 14. Even though the access valve, such as a Schrader valve, has an internal seal, the cap provides an extra layer of protection to prevent refrigerant gas leaks in case the valve core is worn, damaged, or dirty. Valve caps also prevent contaminants from entering the system, which could damage internal components such as expansion valves or compressors, or make future diagnostics and servicing more difficult. Without the cap, the valve can corrode, especially in humid or salty climates, making it harder to use later or causing leaks due to deterioration. The caps, especially if they are metal with a rubber or neoprene O-ring, also discourage tampering by unqualified individuals or curious persons, reducing the risk of accidental leaks or unauthorized changes to the system.